Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how we create an endpoint assembly to be using K2 Blackpearl. So I'm starting off in Visual Studio and I'm creating a class library called Hello World. When we've created this project, we'll then create a very simple class. Again, we might just use Hello World because it's always been my favourite. There's one important thing you have to be aware of when creating endpoint assemblies, and for K2 you have to see this, is that they all have to be public static methods. Okay, so here's my class. I want to rename that. I'm going to just call this my Hello World. Class. I'll just say that, and I'll just rename here too. Okay, that's done. And what we'll do is just add something very simple. The method just so we can get the idea. So I'll have public static string, and just call this hello. And this is going to be very simple. It's just going to return a message saying hello. Well, I'll just do one more. To see more complex ones, please visit my blog at simon@k2.com. Okay, I'm open this. Put in a parameter. Let's say MC. And then we'll have return type again. This time we'll have string. Okay, very simple. So hopefully this will get you an example across. Save that, and then we can build it. Let's wait for that to be built. And then we can go and link it up to K2. These examples here only give one value back, but if you want to give multiple values or multiple rows, then we can return a list type back. And now we're going to do that for us. Okay, so now I've got that. Just go and get the solution location. There it is. So what I'm going to do is just grab that, copy that, and then I'm going to go to this tool here, and what I'm going to do is right click on the endpoint assemblies, goes to a service instance, paste the immediate URL address. Give it a name, let's call this Hello World. Realize Camino 2. and say add. The K2 now will go off and make sure that file is there. If it's there, it will then go off and interrogate it or map out one of the public methods that we have. So now here it is, hello world. Then looking here, you can see there's my class, and there are the methods. And then what it's done is for each method is turned it into an object. In the same way, when we tell K2 about a SQL database, it creates a table, creates an object for every table, every store procedure, every view. It's the same here for every method. And I've got a couple of options. I can either just go right click and say create some objects here. So let's do that now. And that will go off and then give us some create a smart object for each of these methods, which is great, but it's not how I want to do it. So we'll just do it. Yeah. So that's really easy, and then we can go and interact with smart objects. Just go and test that now. There we are. So here's our hello one. Let's just execute that. So read. You can see they go, it's world back, or hello world. Now I need to do the same with this one. Let's do that. You can see now it's got pick up the fact we've got a parameter. So we can say Simon, and we can execute that. And it returns hello world Simon. Obviously, it's very simple, and it could be that we're passing in an ID, go and get off some data from a data source somewhere, or it's doing a calculation. Okay, that's a very simple one. What we can do now is we can go and create such a smart object, one smart object that uses both of these. So let's go into K2 Studio, and let's go and create a new project. So we'll call this hello world. Hello world, and let's create it. So it's loading up our smart object designer for us. Again, we remove all these prop methods, because we don't want those smart box ones. And we're adding our own method. Now I'm going to call this method hello. And we are going to make this a read method. And now I'm going to point it to our search object that we created earlier. And test it. So there's the hello world. I'm going to the read method. I'm just going to call this result. Make it really simple. And finish. And let's do one more. I'll call this PMI, just in case I've forgotten. Then that's going to be a read method. And we're going to assign this in countries and go create. That's okay, use default one there, and return type. Then the next site. And finish. And then we can deploy this, and then we can then go and use this in our workflow, in our smart forms. There's a really handy way of bringing code, manage code into our workflows and into our smart forms. So just check now to make sure everything's okay, and from the deploy, everything's succeeded. Okay, so let's do a refresh all. And we go and look at my project here. There it is. Execute that. You can see it's got both our properties, and they both work. Great. Hope that was useful. Obviously, a very simple demo, but hopefully this opens up possibilities of what you can do with endpoint assemblies.